Hello guys, how to fix Windows has stopped this device because it has reported problems Bluetooth error code 43. One of the device that we use with our computers is the Bluetooth device, which can be either an external or internal device. And to fix these issues, the first workaround is go to start button, right click on it and choose settings. Thereafter under system settings, choose troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and scroll down and run the Bluetooth troubleshooter to fix these issues. If this workaround not fixes your issue, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search, type services and open services windows, restart the Bluetooth support services. Here go to the Bluetooth support services section, right click on it and choose restart. Also apply a double click on it and set a startup type as automatic from the drop down menu. Finally click on apply and OK button. The next workaround is again go right click on a start button, choose device manager and update Bluetooth driver in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the Bluetooth section, right click on your Bluetooth device and choose the option update driver. Search automatically for drivers and let the window complete the process. Also right click on your Bluetooth driver and choose uninstall drivers and restart your system. It will reinstall your Bluetooth driver in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Right click on Bluetooth and choose a scan for hardware changes and thereafter restart your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. After restart, Windows will automatically reinstall your Bluetooth driver.